guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the build and decorate your dollhouse. This time guys, it's none other than the number 95. Well, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you like this collection, if you like building this house with me, make sure to leave a like down below. And of course, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partiner. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff guys. I will have his links as always down in the description below. And well guys, with that being said, let's go ahead, let's get into this. Alright guys, so we have everything out of the initial plastic and now it's time to check out the magazine. Up at the top we have the title of the collection, Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse, of course in the Victorian style. And down below it says, enjoy this elegant and spectacular home of your dreams. This guys is the number 95. If you would like to see the previous 94, all you have to do is check out the playlist located in the end cards in the end of this video. And here we have the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed. It looks really beautiful, I can't wait to finish it. And guys, this collection is from editorial Salvat. And well, let's open this up. And here it says, visiting the lady of the house. And here you can see this very lovely dress, full of lace and beading, with shoes there on the floor. Looks really lovely. Well. Let's see. There you can see the room a bit better with all of the pieces marked. And of course, down below it marks you each piece to tell you a little bit about it. It's very cool. And here it says objects of collection or collectible objects. Here you can see that they have, in this dollhouse at least, a butterfly collection. I've unboxed some butterflies in my bugs or bichos collection. If you would like to see that guys, I will have that playlist in the end cards in the end of this video. So make sure to check that out. Really cool and very interesting. And here it shows you how to prepare this base for the dollhouse, which I will show you in just a moment. And it walks you through step by step guys of how to prepare it. As well as other parts of the house as well. And guys, as I always say with this collection, once we have this entire collection unboxed, I will walk you through how to do each one of these little projects and we will build the dollhouse together. So guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. And tell me guys, are you building the dollhouse as you go? Or are you waiting like me to have the full collection? I look forward to hearing what you guys are planning. So make sure to tell me where you guys are in this collection. And well, here we have the back of the dollhouse. This collection, of course, is from editorial Salvat. And well, let's flip back to the front. Oh, and I wanted to mention, guys, I said that this that we got is for the side of the house, but it's actually this front piece. That was my bad. But well, let's flip back to the front. And well guys, now it's time to check out our new front piece for the dollhouse. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Alright guys, so here we have this front piece for our dollhouse. I'm very sorry that I accidentally thought that it was for the side. But here's the other side of it. And it's a very thick like cardboard piece, but it is solid white. Back to the front part here. And well, you guys tell me what you guys think about the new addition to our dollhouse. Tell me down in the comments below. And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button and make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, make sure to check out down in the description below. I will have the links to all of my social media, so my Twitter, my Facebook, my Instagram, linked all down below. I look forward to seeing you guys on there. And of course, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partisaneer. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. Well, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.